Hey guys, this is Manish from TradingSutra. Welcome to a live trading video recording. Let's see what I have taken today. This is the chart of Nifty and today I am a bit late for taking a trade. Although I have also taken a short trade on M&M Finance. First, let's talk about Nifty. As I mentioned that this is the congestion zone of for Nifty, that no shorts above this, and if this cross I will take a buy position, but as of now I have shorted Nifty in this range, taking a stop loss of 25 points for the downside targets. So let's see how it progress in the rest of the session. Talking about M&M Finance, what is happening that this was a support for M&M Finance, it has broken in the opening session. So I have created a short position for the next support level as a target. So the next support level comes to 318 and 316 zone. So I will wait for the rest of the session for the targets. So this is my order book and you can see that on the opening I have created a short position in the M&M Finance, and in Nifty just right now I have created a short position at the level of 12,175 with a stop loss of 12,195. So let's see how both they will perform in the rest of the session. See you then. Hey guys, welcome back. So what is happening in the Nifty that Nifty has took a support here, and it is forming a pattern of expanding symmetrical triangle pattern. So what I have done is that here I have reversed my position from short. I have gone to long. So here is my order book. You can see that I have just bought Nifty here, okay, and I am having two lots of Nifty because it's very near to closing. So I have two lots, and yes, I have just exited my M&M Finance with minor profit. Okay, so I'm having a day's profit of 2,400. So I will hold Nifty for just next 15 minutes and will close with minor profits. So meet you after 15 minutes. Let's see. Hey friends, welcome back. It's 3:12 p.m. and as expected that Nifty took a support and gave a new high. Okay, so here it is a breakout of this range, okay, all-time high range. As long as it is above this level, that is 12,160, no short position is suggested, okay, and also it has the potential to go up, forming a structure of a wedge pattern whose target is near about 12,300 zone. So in the coming session we will see and review our previous ideas that Nifty has given a breakout, and yes, it is forming a long wedge pattern, okay. So this is the wedge pattern. This was the small wedge pattern in the 4-hour chart which we have seen in the previous sessions, and this support has created a new wedge formation for the Nifty. So here is a 3:14 p.m. and I have to exit my position. So I will exit my position of Nifty here, okay. So I exited my position at 12,185 and you can see that my day's profit is around 3,000, a minor profit. So for today's session, this much only. Meet you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.